Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw baby Catnap. So first let's get started in the middle of our page up towards the top, and we're going to draw in a small curved line from left to right for the top of the nose. We're going to connect this together on either side now, curving this line in on a diagonal and then back up, curving it at the bottom. For the eyes now, stepping slightly under, we're going to curve this line over and out towards the right. Lining this up at the same height on the left-hand side, we will replicate that, curving that across. Let's connect this together now. So starting on the inside, on top of the nose, we're going to curve this line all the way around, bringing that up, and then back down on the right-hand side. And then flipping over towards the left, leaving a small gap, we'll replicate that, curving that up, back around, and then in. Now in the center, on the right-hand side, we're going to draw in a nice big oval. And then moving over on the left-hand side, lining it up at the same height, we will replicate that. Let's draw in the mouth underneath now. So coming in towards the center of the nose, let's curve this line up and over on the right. And then in the middle, we're going to curve this down and out on the left. In the center now, for the bottom of the mouth, we're going to draw a nice big curved line from left to right, arching that up. For the tooth, we're going to draw in a small triangle on the left-hand side. And then now from here for the tongue, we're just going to draw in a curved line from left to right. Let's draw in the eyebrows now. So on either side, we're just going to draw in a curved line above our eye. And now let's close off the rest of the face. So coming in towards the middle, we're going to curve this line up and then down on the right. And then we'll start in the center again, curving this up and then down on the left, ending that at roughly the same height. Now from here, we're going to curve this line out and then in. And we'll do this on both sides. From the corner again, we're going to curve this line out and then in, making this bigger as we stretch this line out. Let's close off the bottom of the face now. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then flipping over towards the right in the corner, we'll replicate that, curving that around and then in. And we're going to blend that in so it ends at the same height. Now on the cheeks, we're going to draw 3 circles that create a triangle. So we're going to draw one on the top. And we'll do this on both sides. Let's come down to the right and we're going to draw in another circle. Again, doing this on both sides. And then over on the left, we'll replicate that one more time. Let's move up now, and on both sides, we're going to draw in the ears. So on the right-hand side, we're going to curve this line out. We'll line this up roughly at the same height on the left-hand side, replicating that. Now from the point, we're just going to curve this line back around and then in towards the side. And we'll do the same thing over on the left. Moving over towards the inside now, we're going to curve this line out and then down. And then over on the left-hand side, we will replicate that. Let's move down now and draw on the torso. So on both sides, we're going to curve this line around and then down. And we're going to end this at roughly the same height. Closing off the top of the diaper now, stepping over to the left, we're going to curve this line around and then back up. On the outside lines now, we're going to curve a small line that arches out. To the left of this, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then to the right of this, we're going to curve this line back around and then in, blending it together. In the center now, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right on a diagonal. On the top of this, we're going to arch this line up, back down on the right. In the center now, coming in towards the top, we're going to curve this line around and then in on the right hand side. And then on the bottom, we're just going to close this off with a curved line from left to right. For each arm now, coming further up, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then flipping over towards the left hand side, we will replicate that, arching that around and then in. For the arms now, we're going to curve this line up and then over. And then on the left hand side, we will replicate that. For our legs now, coming in towards the middle, closer towards the right, we're going to curve this line down, across, and then up on the right. And then leaving a gap in the middle, moving over towards the left, we'll replicate that. So we're going to curve that down, up, and then in. And now on the bottom, we're just going to close this off with a curved line from left to right. And then stepping over on the left-hand side, we'll replicate that. Now let's draw in our tail. So coming down below our arm, this is going to be the top of the tail. So we're going to curve this line out, up, and then over. On the top of the tail now, we're going to curve this line out and then in. And now we're just going to follow this pattern as we come down. So starting back on our line here, we're going to curve this in, down, and then back in towards the side. And that is it. That's how you draw baby catnap. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all in the next one.